Welcome to this tutorial on School Jotter 3, a powerful website content management system designed specifically for schools. With School Jotter 3, you can effortlessly control the content on your school website, as well as your companion mobile app. In this tutorial, we'll cover some of the basics to help you get started. To edit your school website, you'll need a username and password provided by your school website administrator. First, let's look at how to log in and start editing your website. Begin by navigating to your school's website in your internet browser. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and locate the footer section. There, click on the Go to Admin panel link. Next, enter your username and password to log in. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Simply click the Forgotten Password link, enter your email address, and follow the instructions to reset your password and regain access. Now that we are logged in, let's review the key sections and tools available. Notice that your dashboard is divided into three main areas. Firstly, core modules. These include essential tools such as sites, files, and the mobile center, giving you control over your website and mobile app content. Secondly, content modules. Here, you'll manage key features of your site, including calendar for scheduling events, news and letters for sharing updates, links, notices, and galleries for highlighting important information, forms for capturing parent or staff input, and policies where key documents can be hosted. Thirdly, admin modules. These tools help you manage the back end of your system. For example, user management for controlling access, settings to tailor your website's features, categories for organizing content, and subscriptions to opt in and opt out people subscribed. To edit a page on your website, start by clicking on the Site option from the main dashboard. This will bring up a list of all the pages currently on your site. You'll notice that you can easily rearrange the order of your pages using the drag and drop feature. This automatically updates the navigation bar on your site to reflect the new structure. If you click on the three dots next to a page, you can access additional page information. Here, you can set a page to be public or private, and adjust where it resides within the website's menu structure. Next, select the page you'd like to edit by clicking on its title. Once you're in the page editor, you can make your changes, whether that's updating text, adding images, or embedding links. In this example, we've chosen the About Us page to demonstrate editing. We'll begin by deleting some unwanted sections from the page. Once the changes are made, clicking Save and Publish will instantly put the updated content live on your website. Let's now look at page elements. When you're in edit mode, you have a wide variety of elements you can insert into your page to enhance its content. Let's go through the available options. Text block. Add and format text to convey important information. Scrolling text. Create eye-catching, moving text to highlight announcements. FAQ builder. Organize frequently asked questions with an interactive format. Image. Insert images to make your content visually engaging. Document. Upload and display documents directly on the page. Files. Add downloadable files for your visitors. Slideshow. Showcase multiple images in an attractive rotating display. Video. Upload videos to add multimedia content. Calendar. Embed a calendar to keep visitors informed about events. Gallery. Display a collection of images in an organized format. Letters. Share letters and important updates with your audience. Forms. Create interactive forms to gather information or feedback. News. Highlight the latest updates and announcements. Policies. Upload and display policy documents for easy access. Video embed. Include videos from external platforms like YouTube. Embedded code. Add custom HTML or third-party widgets. Twitter. Embed your school's Twitter, or otherwise known as X feed. Facebook. Display content from your Facebook page. My New Term. Integrate job postings for your school using My New Term. Map. Insert a map to show your school's location. Contact data. Display your school's contact information. Quick links. Create a menu of links for easy navigation. Letter subscription. Add individual letters for specific updates or communications. Let's walk through how to add files to the file management system. In this example, we'll upload the school prospectus. First, click on the Files option in the dashboard. Next, select the file you want to upload. In this case, the prospectus PDF. Click Upload. Once the upload is complete, a tick icon will appear, confirming that the file has been successfully added. Now that we've uploaded the prospectus, let's add it to the About Us page so visitors can download it. First, navigate to Sites and select the page you want to edit. In this case, the About Us page. Once on the editor, click the plus icon to insert a new page element. From the menu, select Files, then choose the file you just uploaded, in this case, the prospectus PDF. With that, the prospectus is added to the page. All that's left to do is click Save and Publish, and it's done. The prospectus is now live on the About Us page, ready for visitors to download the PDF with ease. Thank you for watching this tutorial on School Jotter 3. We hope you found it helpful in getting started with managing your school's website. For more information, resources and support, be sure to visit schooljotter.com.